My name is Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you BioZnQ. Sandoz really did a great job. They are able to give us a product that really helps absorption and retention so that it's not just going to the bloodstream but down to the cellular level. And it's been helpful for me because after taking this, I noticed that the scratch in my throat when I'm on the verge of getting sick went away. So I feel like my immune system's a bit better than usual. And I also like that it helps me feel like I'm getting a deeper sleep at night, and I really like a lot of the health benefits attributed for taking zinc. There also isn't a funky taste in my stomach, nothing metallic or anything that bothers me after taking it. And I really like this one, the BioZnQ, because it really seems to be working, and my skin does also seem to be clearing up from the acne that I get occasionally. So I think that the ingredients in this are really helping. That this zinc plus the 100% natural amino acid methionine is in there, which is known for helping in that absorption. Also, we have the quercetin and the EGCG. All of that is helping it get to the cells and to do the most repair and keep me healthy. I love that it's also great for inflammation. So it helps with anti-inflammation. The quercetin is really great with the vascular health, and all of this helps with oxidative stress. And I know I'm aging, so anything that gives me a boost in that department is wonderful. But overall, just the green tea extract as well, it's all meant to give my immunity the boost that I need. And I love that it really is a nice addition to my routine and gives me a better, healthy overall life. And that's my point of view.